the power went out. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Halloween party series review videos for you. As I mentioned to you a few times this month, Maniology decided to bankrupt me because they came out with absolutely gorgeous Halloween set. And in today's video, I will show you the 7-piece supernatural nail art kit. And I am very excited to show you everything that you can actually get in this set. It's a really nice starter set as well. It does come with the crystal clear stamper, which I already own and I already reviewed that one for you. So I won't be using that one in today's video, but definitely stay tuned because very soon I will be doing a giveaway on my channel and one of you may be lucky enough and win it. I can tell you right away that I absolutely love it. Besides their monocle stamper, that's the only other stamper that so far worked for me from Maniology. If you do enjoy this Halloween party series, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, the month is not over yet, so if you don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos, then definitely hit the subscribe button as well before you leave. Okay, so what I will do, I will again show you some close-ups to everything, and then I will swatch the stamping plates using the stamping polishes that come in this set. So this is a 7-piece set. They consider the stamper and the scraper as individual pieces. So you are getting 2 stamping plates, 3 stamping polishes, and the stamper with the scraper. See how everything works, and then I will come back and share you my final thoughts. Alright guys, so what are your thoughts on these 7-piece Maniology Supernatural Stamping Nail Art Kit? I am loving it again. Maniology is nailing this and I'm so happy because everything worked without any problems. All the stamping polishes are opaque, dark, and the designs on these stamping plates are really beautiful, really unique. I don't think I have anything similar amongst my stamping plates, so I am really happy. Also, don't forget that if you would like to save some money, you can always use my ambassador code Judita10. That will give you some off on all of Maniology's product, plus also on their subscription box. And I really appreciate your support, all of you who use my code so far. It is an affiliated code, so I do get a small commission, and thanks to that I can purchase more products and showcase them and review them for you on my channel. Going back to this Halloween stamping kit, I really love it. I do have to point out some of their products are out of stock, but they are coming back. So if something that I showed you during this series is not in stock right now, just keep an eye on it, and their shipping is really fast, so you can still get these before Halloween comes to create your Halloween manicures. Let me know your thoughts on this kit, and if you were lucky enough to put your hands on this already, or if you are just thinking about it and based on the reviews and swatches that you saw, you are thinking about purchasing it. That's it from me. Again, I really love this set and I would highly recommend it to you guys. Again, Maniology, 10 thumbs up, all my fingers, all my toes. And if you guys do have any questions or comments, just leave them for me in the comment section, and I will link for you everything in the description box. That way you can just easily click on it and it will take you to the website and the products themselves. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Definitely stay tuned for more Halloween reviews and nail art tutorials in the month of October, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.